Today we are talking about sustainable and eco-friendly clothing and some top brands offering the slow fashion, eco-friendly, and sustainable clothing. But let's first understand the need for this type of clothing and brands in our society. So, why sustainable, eco-friendly, and slow fashion clothing? The answer is simple. Fashion is one of the most devastating industries when it comes to ethical labor, negative effects on our environment, and various other issues. It involves industrial water pollution, unethical employment with poor work conditions, low wages, deforestation, environmental degradation, and high amounts of waste, etc. Sustainable, slow fashion, and eco-friendly brands can make the planet cleaner and healthier, supporting companies that work towards fair employment when it comes to wages, working conditions, an environment-friendly approach when making apparels and accessories could make a difference. Slow fashion brands push customers to buy better clothes that are well-made, timeless, and economical, unlike high-end fast fashion brands, which are more expensive and rapidly changing. Quality tend to be poor in comparison to slow fashion brands due to focus on quantity rather than quality when it comes to low-tier fast fashion. Now let's talk about brands offering the alternative, with cheap and affordable options included. Top sustainable and eco-friendly brands includes Patagonia, Everlane, Reformation, Eileen Fisher, Allbirds, Kotn, Pact, Stella McCartney, Nisolo, Saywood, Komodo, Amourlinen, among others. There are cheap and affordable options available in the markets to get you started. Pact offers t-shirts as low as around $20 and other items priced reasonably. Everlane, its t-shirts start at $25 and denim starts around $70. Cotton cloths are made from Egyptian cotton and starts as cheap as $30. Boody is an Australian sustainable clothing brand that makes everyday basics. It specializes in bamboo-based basics, activewear, and undergarments. It is affordable as well, with t-shirts starting around $25 and leggings around $50. Tentree, a Canada-based casual wear brand. With unique approach to eco-friendliness, Tentree plants 10 trees on a purchase, has affordable outfits with t-shirts start at $30. Alternative Apparel is a U.S.-based company. It focuses on organic cotton and recycled materials. Its t-shirts start at $24, which is quite affordable. Right back if you want to see an in-depth video covering the brands and how they make clothing sustainable and eco-friendly and general deep-down information related to this trending new industry. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay in touch. Share the video with friends and family. Thanks for coming till the end. You can find more at Danson's.